as we are getting further and further in the fjord here, the mountains are getting taller and taller, and you probably can't see, but there are snow on the tops of them behind me here, and that is awesome. I think those are some 3,000 feet tall or something, or at least some of them are. And in there, way in there, are Lysebotn, where we are heading at the very bottom of the fjord. How do you think it looks? Have you been here before? Maybe some of you have, and maybe you have some tips for me to go visit this and that. So write me something in the comment sections below, and I'll get back to you. Maybe I have the time to go check it out. If not, you can write me something anyway. It's always cool to write the comments, to read the comments and answer them. And I think I've answered every last one of the comments so far. Now there's still 2.5 hours before we get there, even though I can see the very end of Lysefjord. You know, you don't get the sense of scale when you're, well, not on camera, and definitely not by being on the boat. It doesn't look that far, but it is. So I need to eat something, and I bought this thing. It is a pizza. It is so easy and quick to do. So I'm just gonna pop this in the oven and just chop up some onions, just to make it a little better. But as you may have understood by now, I'm not all that fussy when it comes to food. And I've just put up the sail again, but I'm still, we're still going by engine, but I just used the general a little, just to give us that extra 1 knot or something, because it isn't much wind, but it is a little, and the boat is more stable if you have the one on the sails up. What I said earlier about commenting, you do not have to comment of me being pale. So I know I'm pale. I probably shouldn't have my shirt off when I make these films. Seriously, could it be any better? Could it be any better place to drink ice cold beer and eating some warm pizza? I think not. Even Shadi deserves something extra. So she has a pig's ear which is chewing on, and she just loves those things. Now we are getting close to Lysebotn. Really close. You can see some houses in there. Oh man, when I see it like this is a postcard. Pizza is finished and only a little beer left. Oh, it was lovely with some food and some cold drinks. Really lovely. But now I'm getting tired, so we better go to sleep. I probably should wait till I get in there first. Okay, cheers you guys. Cheers. Come spring, a lot of these crevasses you see here will be full of water, because all of the snow and stuff will melt from the top of the mountains, and it just pours down here. I guess it's kind of cool to be sailing here in springtime. I'm wondering if that ain't the Kjeragbolten. what you see there. It's not that easy to see, but I think it is. And it comes from the top of the mountain there. You can see here on these things, here and there and even there. Obviously, now this actually has water in it now, but obviously these are usually containing water during spring and such. And on top there you can even see there's some snow left. And there's a waterfall as well. Well, I take my previous statement back, because frankly there are waterfalls all over the place, so I have no idea which is which. And see behind me here, now I see the waterfall, Kjeragbolten, and I do not think you see it. Let me zoom as much as I can. This is as much as I can. You see this thing there? That's a waterfall directly from the top of the cliff face, and it pours all the way down into the fjord down here. So if that is that waterfall I was talking about, that means Kjerag should be up here somewhere. And oh, it's a little rainbow in the waterfall there on the top. Too bad you can't see it, but just at the top where the water pours, oh, you can see it. Can you see that? Just there. So that means it's called Kjeragbolten. Should be here somewhere, which is a big rock that has been caught in a crevice, so you can you could go out on it and stand between two big mountain parts, and there's a sheer drop underneath you with hundreds and hundreds of meters. Oh. I guess you shouldn't be afraid of heights if you're going out on that rock. Ah, it's so beautiful. Now you really can see the rainbow. Ah, it's cool though. Finally, you can see Lysebotn on camera as well. And then we are here. This here is Lysebotn, the end of Lysefjord. And there's also quite nice waterfall here too. Gotta go out this later. And then we were here. This here is Lysebotn. It ain't big at all. It's just this here. There are some houses behind there also. And a tiny little harbor area there. And that's pretty much it. And the fjord. The sun is on its way down. And yeah, gotta check this place out. So I was thinking I was gonna head on over to the waterfall there just to check it out. I have to check a waterfall out. That's so cool. Now, Lysebotn here is not a big place. There are, I guess, some people that lives here. But mostly it's the power company that has this place now. And the power station is actually located inside of the mountain here. Over there you can see a couple of outlets of water. So it's inside the mountain there. And you can see a lot of these power lines all over this place. But now we're gonna head on over to the waterfall. We have to go down this little road, and there's a lot of sheep around here, and there's the waterfall. It is breathtaking. It is certainly breathtaking. Oh, I wish I had like 2 weeks or something just to explore this whole place. And then we have to cross over this little stream behind me here. And Shabby is a little wary, but I guess we'll manage. And there's a lot of rocks and stuff here, so I wouldn't recommend just going barefoot. And since I don't have any real shoes with me, I guess I'll just go with the shoes I have. So we're over poor Shabby here. It's all drenched. She actually had to swim. It wasn't really that cold, actually. And it wasn't really that deep either. It's nice. But it's all fresh water up here that goes out to the sea. Like you see here, you can just drink it, no problems. Actually tastes quite good. And now crossing over this little bit here. So I guess that this is where the waterfall pours out up there, and it just comes down here. So here we are at the bottom of the waterfall. Over the cliff there. Nice. If you get to a place like this, no matter how hot or cold the water is, you can't just let a chance like this go. You just have to go into it, you know. This is almost paradise material.
I think the time is up, I think the time has come. I'm changing track, time to sing another song. From the beginning on to the end, it's been a good time, baby, but it feels more just like friends. The road is long, don't know what's behind the bend. The time has changed us in so many ways, my friend. We have been high up and we have been low. The times are changing fast and up and down.
Well,
and down the
it was cold, but I gotta tell you, it was refreshing. That's for sure. Oh man! But now I've done it.
So go right on and sing your song. But this time, I won't be with you to sing along.
So I guess that's pretty much it for this episode of Sailing Embla. I'm gonna stay here a couple of days because there are some more things I want to check out here in Lysebotn, up in the mountains here. So, but that will be the next episode. So join me next Sunday to check out what that is. I promise you, it's gonna be awesome. So, until next time, you take care, and I'll see you there.
Rushed hard and one way led. I know just what you wanna sing. You know those tunes ain't my thing. So go right on and sing your song. But this time I won't be with you to sing along.